What are you doing? I got you. Is that so funny? Yeah. Whoosh. You guys have on your matching Always for Octopus t-shirts. Oh, I'm going to get you. Hi. You're really cute. Hi. You're
I'm
really,
really
cute,
cute
too.
yeah. And then you like the.
I saw that. Are you squealing with delight? Yeah? What a silly guy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.